Hi everyone, my name is Mimi and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel. So if you're an old subscriber, welcome. And if you're a new subscriber or a new person to my channel, welcome. Thank you for tuning into my channel today. My channel is all about luxury items, but since the pandemic, I've diversified. I'm doing other forms of unboxing. So far in the last few videos, I've been featuring a lot of cast iron and cast iron enamel casserole dishes for your worktops and ovens. So if you haven't seen any of those videos, I would encourage you to have a look at those videos. So today I'm going to do a Le Creuset unboxing, and I've also ordered something from a different brand, which is a cast iron enamel casserole dish, but I'll wait. I'll keep you waiting. I'm gonna unbox it, and then you'll see what brand it is actually from. So it was delivered by Hermes there, but I think I will feature that one last. So I'm going to start off with this item, so you can see from the box that it's a steamer. I actually do have one from IKEA, but I wanted to upgrade, and also I'm going to be doing a lot of steaming, so I thought, why not invest in a good quality one? And also I wanted one with the lid. The one I had, I actually do have a lid of another pot that I use for it, but you know, I wanted to upgrade. So let's get right into the unboxing. So, comes with this pamphlet. It's upside down. Weird. Oh, wrong way around. I guess it tells you all about this item and how to use it. That's that. And then that's the lid. Another pamphlet inside. See what that is. Care information. That's the lid that it comes with. And it has the branding there. Wrong way around. Le Creuset. And underneath, obviously, it's a steamer. So let's get that out. So, funny thing. So, as I was saying, funny thing, I saw quite a few imperfections on these steamers. I'll show you in a minute. So, this is, it shows you how it can be used. So, it can be used on a 20 to 24, 24, 22 or 24 inch pot, and that's the measurement centimeters, and that's the measurement in inches, and that's information about why you should choose one of their cookware. And then it just shows you where you can use the induction, ceramic, electric, all the places that you can use this item. So it's made of stainless steel. That's the branding there, and there also. And I'll just show you what I mean by imperfection. So look in here, you can't actually see anything. If I flip it round, so I don't know whether you can see that there. There's an imperfection there. And then there's another one there. So there's one there and there's one there. And to be honest, all of them were like that. This was the best of the bunch. And that's it. So basically these are the rims. So this is basically the measurements, that kind of measurements that you can fit on. So 20, I think that's 22, I think that's 24. So yeah, that's my steamer with the lid. I thought I'd give you a better view, and there it is. So I forgot to mention price. So I actually bought it in the store. They have a branch down in Marylebone, and I went down there in London, Marylebone High Street. No, Marylebone 6 New Cavendish Street, and it's the original price is £82, and they gave me a 20% discount, so it cost £65.60. And it's funny because when they did an advert for it online, they advertised it at £65, but that's for the smaller version. So I'm glad I actually bought this. So believe it or not, this is my actual first ever Le Creuset casserole dish. I've bought other brands, Pro Cook and Von Chef, but I've never owned a Le Creuset casserole cast iron enamel pot. So this is my very first one. So it's a 18 inch, yeah, 18 inch. And I hear that those ones are going out. They're no longer going to be selling the 18 inch, and if they do, it will be coming back. It won't be their regular. So I just decided to get one, and they were doing a deal on it. Apparently they're 160 or something like that, and I got this for £99. So let's have a look at it quickly. I had a bit of a struggle to open it. So as you can see on the lid, it's got 18 inch there, just there, and I got it in a very beautiful blue colour. And that's the pot there. It's enamel. Comes with the booklets and these little plastic things that I'm going to keep because it helps prevent the pot from scratching. That's the booklet it comes with. All of them come with that. Has the branding on the front, and that's the colour there. See if I can turn it without everything dropping. And it's covered by the label "Made in France." So it has a lifetime guarantee, and it's enamel cast iron pot. So that's the colour I got. It's Marcel, I think you pronounce it that way. And that's the details of the pot there. And it says 18 centimeter, 7 inch, capacity 1.8, and US 2 quarts. And on the lid, obviously it always has the branding on the lid there, and that's the branding on the actual pot. And I hear that you can interchange these knobs. The original ones came in black. They look like plastic, but you can interchange these ones for gold, I believe. And that's it in its glory. So as I mentioned before, this item was delivered by Hermes. And I'll be honest with you, I'm not really keen on that company. Not because they don't deliver my items, but every time I've got something from them, and look, the box is busted. I think I mentioned this before. I hope I'm not mentioning the wrong company, but I don't know. I never seem to have that problem with Amazon. So, let's see how. And it's a Lodge enamel pot. So I wanted to try one of them. And I saw a really good deal on Amazon, but it wasn't delivered by Amazon. It was sold by a different company that used Amazon, and it was shipped by Hermes. Yeah, really complicated. And so I ordered it on the 7th. It was dispatched on the 9th, and I got delivered on today is the 11th. Yeah, so basically it took, 4 days to be delivered. I should be happy because they actually said can take any time between the delivery date was between the 10th and the 14th. So I guess I was fortunate for it to be delivered. And another thing I don't like about Hermes tracking system is it's not always up to date. So I was finding it difficult. It kept on saying, "Oh, we've got your parcel, and it's ready." It said gave the impression that it was ready to be dispatched, but it didn't actually say it was dispatched. And then I had a ring on the bell, so I thought, well, I'll wait till about 6 because I had to pop out just down the road. I'll wait till about 6, and luckily it came. I think it came about just after 2. So I just thought, in case you're interested, It is a 2.5 quarts. That's what they say in America. In England, we say 2.4 liters, 20 centimeter. It's a enamel cast iron, which means that you don't have to oil it, and it's round. And let's see what else it's got on it. I think that's all it is on it, and that's what it looks like inside, hopefully. So let's open it up, see what we got in here, because I haven't seen it either. So it said it was cream. I actually thought it was white originally. So when you open the box, this is what you see. So busted there. And get a booklet with it. Tells you that it's enamel. Tells you that it's a 20 centimeter, 2.5 quarts, 2.4 liters is what we say in England. It's got cast iron there. And oh, I love it. And that's the color. It looks like almost like a, I mean, it's cream, but it looks almost like a beigey kind of cream. That's the logo there. It's the pot there. Let's bring that out. So let me close the box. Let's have a look at it. Oh, it's beautiful. I love it, I love it, I love it. I love it. I'm going to have a quick look at it. So it's white enamel. It's got a slight bubbling inside. I don't know if you can see that there. It's got a slight imperfection there, but actually I'm not mad at that. I like the handles. It's really easy to grip. And that's what it looks like there. Another slight imperfection. But I absolutely love it. Really do. Let's put the lid on. Isn't that beautiful? I really do like that. I think I'm going to buy another Lodge pot, maybe a slightly bigger one, but I absolutely love these handles. So the price, I got a good deal on this. So it was $47.99. However, I bought something and I returned it. So if you watched my previous video, it was a monocular, but it wasn't fit for purpose for what I wanted it. It was a good product, but it wasn't fit for what I wanted it for. So I just want to make that clear. So it was a good product, but not fit for what I wanted, so I had to return it. So I had a credit of $37.99, and so I used that, and then I just paid £10. But $47.99 for this, absolute steal. I love it. I absolutely really love it. So that was from Amazon. My only beef is the shipping. Took 4 days. There's another one I have my eye on that's coming from the US. That's gonna take a similar period for a week. So for now, you know, I haven't pressed the button to order it, but I'm still considering it. It's a bigger one, and it's in green, a really beautiful green. But I really, really love this. So guys, I thought I'll just give you an overview of what I bought. I absolutely love my purchases. This one, bad boy here, I'm going to be using in a minute to steam something. And the other two, well, just depends on when I need to use them. But yeah, that's the end of my video. So thank you so much for watching. I hadn't planned to include the Lodge one, but it just happened to turn up on time, so I'm grateful for that. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comments box below. If you like what you see, give this video a thumbs up. It lets me know and YouTube know that you like what you're seeing. And help my channel by subscribing. And if you want to see more videos like this, well, just click that red button. It's free. I'm going to wait. You done it? Okay, thank you so much. Till my next video, goodbye for now.